This is a review on my Command Arms M4s1 foregrip. I put it on my 80% paperless AR. Used to have a free float, but I decided I wanted something a little lighter. This is a Model 1 sales upper, and surprisingly they have a pretty good barrel profile. You take these handguards off and it's the barrel's pretty thick. It's almost a competition match thickness. So I figured I didn't need a free float for something this short. I kind of wish they'd come out with a mid-length one, because I have a mid-length I'd like to put it on, but these are very comfortable. They have a bottom rail as well. You can mount a foregrip. You can mount lights on here.